What's going on, guys? Today is a crazy video. I think we got a classic car being dropped off. I think we got a customer coming in on our C8 Corvette later today, and we're on our way to go look at potentially buying a house. I'm going to take you guys right along with me, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys can enjoy more videos like this, and it helps our channel grow so much. And my dad didn't want me to come in on time today. He just wanted me to go check out this house with Itzy. And I had to come drop off my dog because she works here. She's a guard dog. And while I was over there, he had somebody in here trying to test drive this Mustang. And he was right about to sell it for about $10,000 less than we ever priced it because he's getting so confused now. So he was about to give this Mustang away. Luckily, I came in at the right time, saved ourselves $10,000. But that being said, let's get in and go. And if you guys know me, which car am I taking to go look at this house right now? Come on, go ahead, get in. Now, I'm just kidding, guys. We're driving a Corvette. We're not a homosexual. So we're going to go take the Grand Sport Corvette. And the house is about 25 minutes away. So hop in. Let's go. So we're cruising the C6 Grand Sport right now. And to be honest with you guys, we're cruising at 85 miles an hour. And you're under 2,000 RPMs. Which is insane. I keep telling you guys the C6 is the best driver's car. Watch, we're about to hit a corner right here, a really long corner, and I'm gonna see if I really don't even have to slow down on this thing, but these cars, they don't have the balls that we do driving a Corvette. But here we're hitting this thing at 60 miles an hour and it feels like nothing. Feels like nothing. Here's the refineries, there's a church right there. You guys watching, make sure to go to church. Okay, you heard it from me, go to church. And yeah, we took that corner at 60 miles an hour and it was like butter. That wasn't like a very sharp corner, but it's very steep. But right here, we're gonna try to get on it. Try not to get a ticket. It seems a lot of cops out here. We get up instantly. Woo. We are plus 3 digits, and it's barely over 2,000 RPMs. That is the bonus of driving a Corvette and all at the same time getting great gasoline mileage. So go to my website, check out this Grand Sport Corvette. But we're about to be pulling up on this house soon. Downside to this house, it is about 20 to 25 minutes away from our dealership. And Itzy over here, she cannot wake up anywhere on time. So this is going to be a big kind of, if we do buy it, she's going to have to wake up earlier, which I doubt. So I don't know. We'll go from there. That's the biggest drawback to this house. But when we get there, I want you guys to comment. I want you guys to comment what y'all think about the house. All right, we're pulling into the open house. I guess it's this one, right, Itzy?
Yes.
That's Itzy's house right there. She's a house hunter. So we're gonna see. I don't know, maybe. So we're gonna go in here, check it out, and take you guys right along with us. So Itzy, what do you think so far? Oh, they got a built-in safe. That's cool. Probably shouldn't show you all that.
Like 1, 2.
Which one's? No, this one's small, man. She said this one's mine. Not the biggest house, guys, but it's a good starter place, probably. That's pretty cool. No bathtub, but is what it is. They got like a second living area over here. So this could be like another room, maybe. Smells like cookies. Alright, little small room, good lighting. This closet's bigger than the one in there.
Yeah, it's true.
What are you thinking, Nancy?
I like it.
She hasn't even seen her favorite part. You guys will see why we came over here in a second. We do got a bathtub here. Fix my hair here.
Now I see the tall silly.
Okay, so this would be like my bedroom right here.
All the closets are bigger than the master.
I like this. The weird thing, I like tall ceilings, and this is like the only room in here that has a tall ceiling.
Bathroom.
Like she's gonna put anything in any of these little things. Like you're gonna put anything in any of these little rooms.
I will.
You will.
I will have the bunker beds for the girls.
Alright, let me show you guys why we came over here. So, this is why we're out here.
You see there?
Oh, we even got a little putting range. Itchy's a golfer. Every house we look at, she wants a pool. Got a gazebo. I looked at all the yard for baby bowling. And I got a cookie. They're selling me hard. But look at all this space.
Dang.
Can't get this inside Corpus.
And look, this is the other thing. A man cave.
Yeah, man cave. I can put a workout. My dad wants to put his Woody in there, but I'm getting a little soft. I'm getting a little fluffy. So I need a workout thing.
Well,
Yeah. You know how to beat the pool?
okay, that's a good question. I know that this side's shallow, and then it gets deeper. It is an actual deep end.
Go ahead, jump in there.
Yeah, so jumping off is fine. And again, I can't really make it.
Yeah, I'm sure. And I'm assuming
I will
all that. So I'm asking my wife, aka Itzy, if she loves this house. She says, "Yeah, I love it. It's a good starter house. It's a good starter house for $500,000. What an idiot she is! She has no concept of money. It's a good starter house.
Yeah.
What's wrong with this girl?" And so this is what $500,000 looks like in South Texas. If you guys didn't know, big old acres. I don't even think it's 0.6 acres. But I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Cost up.
You don't like it because you don't have tall ceiling.
Yeah, the only reason I don't like it is because of the tall ceiling. But I don't know. Big decision. So I have a customer test driving our C8 Corvette right now, and this is what you talk about knowing your customer. So right here, we got a set of black C8 rims that we randomly bought like a year ago. Blaine's over there cleaning them up. But the customers really wanted black rims on their C8 Corvette. And before me knowing that, I said, you know what? If you guys buy this car, we can also make a deal on these C8 rims that are black. I think that would look really good on this car. And you're like, what? Really? We specifically wanted black rims. There you go, guys. You got to kind of overcome the objections before they come up. That's how you sell cars. And luckily, I just randomly bought those wheels like a year ago. And it's going to help me sell a car potentially. So they're test driving it right now. And we'll see if they like it. Well, there's no reason not to like it. But let's see if we can close it. That's the real question. Okay, we're going to do a lot walk and go over some of my current inventory. Those customers are still on a test drive with the C8. This is a long test drive, guys. I don't like to do a test drive enough. It's fancy, especially in a car that price range. Well, you can see, first off, I don't know if you guys saw the shirt I made. Our wall was falling off. So we got our wall backed up. We got some nails in it now. Probably going to have to repaint this. Obviously, I have to build it like this, but got the wall up. Luckily, didn't fall down. There's another C8, but that's not mine. But I'll show you guys the inside because we changed the inside hallway. But as far as new cars, I just picked up this 2011 C6 Corvette. It's got the heads-up display. It's got 44,000 miles on it. Power top convertible. Pretty cool car. I actually sold this car about 13, 14 months ago to a business owner here in town. And he put about 10,000 miles. I sold to him with like 33,000. Loves it, but needed some cash. Ended up buying it back from him. I'm going to get these headlights probably re-cleared. They're a little foggy, so I'm going to get these sanded and shot back with clear coat. You guys know my 77 Corvette. I'm so surprised this one here. This one's 15.5. Great driving car. It's got AC. Radio works. It's a solid car. I did just buy this one yesterday. I bought this from another car dealership. See, even car dealerships are selling me cars because I'm the man around here, all right? So, here's a 2014 Mustang GT. I think it was one of their repossessions that they got in, and they sell a lot newer cars. So, it wasn't one they were going to retail. It's one they're going to sell to an auction. So, they called me up on it. I ended up buying it from them And I wonder if I have the key on. My brother drove it last night. It's pretty loud, actually. Yeah, it's a 2014. It got like what? Get it automatic. Pretty loud car. No cats. Like George Schuler, good cats or dogs? Cats or dogs? But this one's freaking dogs, man. We live in Texas. And go. This one is quick. So there's this Mustang I bought yesterday. I'm on a Mustang craze, I guess, because not only did I buy this, that Celine I made a joke about earlier in the video. This is actually a bad car right here, guys. This has got 775 horsepower. This has got more horsepower than any car here on the lot. More than the Z06. The Z06 only has 650 horsepower. And speaking of that, we discounted this one. This car is only $66,500. 2017 3LZ, 22,000 miles on it. 66 miles. But this monster right here is a 2019 Celine supercharged Mustang. This is a monster. This is the first one I've ever bought, and I just popped off and bought it because it's so unique. Not very much of them out there, and I just want to take a gamble on it, so I ended up purchasing it. This one is an automatic. This one's a quick start. Somewhere right here. Oh, right here. Now, it's got a good rumble to it. It's not very loud like that other Mustang, but when you get on it, it'll be kind of loud. So again, this would get like 22,000 miles on it. Supercharged, 5.0 V8. Yellow label. Apparently, it's Celine's. There's like 3 packages: white label, yellow label, black label. This is the middle of the bunch. So $775 for middle of the bunch. Can't go wrong with that. So this is the Celine Mustang. Hopefully, I do good on this. It was not cheap, and I've been spending a lot of money. So like that C8 Corvette I bought this week, the Celine, this Mustang, that Vette. I've dropped a lot of money, so I need y'all to come buy some stuff. We offer shipping nationwide, so no matter where you live, we'll get the car shipped out to you. And speaking of shipping, I got a phone call earlier. The car I was supposed to be getting today, shocking, they aren't dropping it off. They're coming tomorrow because these transporters are freaking idiots. Our 71 Corvette, I got no clue why it's still here. I get phone calls on it probably 2-3 times every day. People flake out. I don't know. It's a good run and drive car. Somewhere around 26 grand. So chrome bumper car, matching number, 4-speed. Can't go wrong. My T-Bird, I think I finally got this one all sorted out. It had a battery issue. It kept draining the battery. I don't know how a 1956 model car keeps draining the battery, but I ended up sorting it out. Put an electronic kill switch every time. It's got a little button on the remote. Turn the battery off. Should be good. Fires up, runs out, drives good. And I think that car's around 25 grand. Then our Grand Sport, which you saw earlier, that's the best driving car. I mean, I drive that almost day. That is a good driving car. Right around $37,000. Little Z3 BMW, 6500. 2023 Fifth Bronco. This is the customer's truck that's driving my C8. Hopefully they didn't steal my C8. Got this Rover that I've been driving a lot. Repossessed that Corvette over there. Make your payments, guys. Make your payments on these cars, because if not, I will pick them up, even if it's a Corvette. So hopefully this guy comes, gets it, and pays what he owes. He's supposed to come in yesterday, but didn't, shockingly. But yeah, that's the current inventory right now. So I've been buying some heavy stuff, not really bulk like I wanted to. I've been telling you guys I wanted to buy bulk inventory, like this little regular bird stuff for Asian tax time, but as always, I never listened to what I was saying. I did the exact opposite and been buying some heavy units. So I really don't know what these Celines are worth. There's not very many of them out there. So comment down below what you guys think this Celine's worth. I don't know. I saw an 05 sell at a dealer auction for like 20 grand the other day. So, you know, it's 2019. I got no clue, guys. So comment down below what you think that Celine's worth. Hopefully we can sell this C8 Corvette. And we got the Buffalo Bills and Denver Broncos game starting here in a few hours. And we are going Bills, baby, Bills. So going for Josh Allen. and hopefully he can pull off another upset. So just keep watching, and maybe we'll close out that C8. Hopefully they show up and didn't steal it. And I totally forgot about my monster truck back over here. I got a guy trying to buy it. He owns a big old plot of land. I think it's like 150 acres. And he wanted to buy this, put it out there. So I parked it back here to get it out of the construction, and because I have a guy interested in buying it. But if it's not on my website by the time you're watching this video, it is still available. Somewhere around $37,000. You can have a completely customized F-250. That thing is a monster right there. So go to my website, go check out all these cars, and again, we offer shipping nationwide. So they finally made it back to the C8 Corvette. They were gone for a very, very long time. I say, hey man, how was your trip to San Antonio? And it's a joke because it's like 2.5 hours away. But no, what they did was they took my car to another car dealership and compared it right next to a Z06 Corvette. So I guess they went over to another dealership that has a Z06 and they side by side compared, and lo and behold, they like mine better. So they came back. I wrote them up a purchase order. They're supposed to be going to the bank, and we'll see if they buy it or not. Now it's up to the bank financing and them pulling a trigger on it. So we'll see how that goes. But other than that, they love the car. It does have a little stress fracture right here. Some like spiderweb cracks right here in the bumper. They're a little concerned about that. So told them I'm buying a tire and this and that. And so I'm trying to work out a deal as best as I can for them. And I actually had a set of black C8 rims that I showed y'all earlier. Told them I'd make a deal with them on that one too. So we'll see if they end up buying it. If not, it's on my website. So go check it out. It's around $67,000. I think it's $67,500. 2023, one owner, 12,000 miles and some change because I don't know how many miles they drove on it. But now it's football time, guys. Come look at what my dad's got in his office over here, okay? He's a Bills fan. So right over here, he's got Bills for the Buffalo Bills.
It's time. Time for the pro towel.
So who are we going for today, Dad?
For the entire job.
Josh Allen, Buffalo Bills, all the way, Jose.
So we're going for the Bills. So if you guys are watching this, you guys know who won already. But he bet money on the Bills. I bet money on the Bills. My dog over there, she's sweating it out for the Bills.
She wants some treats. She wants to win.
So Josh Allen better win this game.
Yeah.
They pick it up and they go deep down the field, and the pass is caught. No, it's McMillan has the football.
And Itzy wants a house, so good luck, Itzy.
All right, let's go, Josh Allen. So here's the inside, like I was telling you. My dad went back with this kind of metal wall. All right, you changing up your old walls.
Change everything up around here, including employees.
So we changed all metal walls inside there. And yeah, that's going to probably wrap up today's video. Didn't sell nothing today. Didn't get the car delivery today. Actually, almost nothing went as planned. But leave a comment down below if I should buy that house or not. Let me know if you think they're going to buy that C8. And as always, guys, hit that subscribe button. We are growing the channel. We plan to make a lot more videos this year. Some really interesting ones too. Going out, videotaping, buying cars, classic car auctions, and all sorts of stuff. So join the channel, join the motion, and thank you guys so much. And again, if you want any of these cars, they're on my website. We'll ship it nationwide. Reach out to me and let's make a deal.